I'm sure you must be having some or the other people around you who are quite thin, eat a lot, but still they're unable to gain weight, or they don't really put on much weight. And either you can be a person who wants to lose weight and think that, oh god, they're so lucky that they eat so much but still they don't put on weight, or you might be a kind of a person who really wants to put on weight, but even after eating a lot you are unable to really put on weight. Well, in this video exactly I'm going to talk about is that why do such people who really eat a lot but still they don't really put on weight. So stay tuned. Hi, this is Priyanka Gupta. Today in this video I'm basically going to talk about top 2 major reasons why people are unable to gain weight even if they eat quite a lot of food. And before moving ahead, I would just like to mention here that just like weight loss, weight gain is also not easy. It requires a lot of discipline and consistency, and there is a section of population who is really struggling to gain weight. Anyways, coming back, the first point is that they have a very naturally high metabolic rate or high metabolism, because of which they burn more calories than they eat. It can be that they are very active throughout the day. Now, it doesn't have to be related to the workout. Maybe they are not exercising in a particular manner, but they might be really constantly on a move. They are quite active throughout the day, so they have a very natural high metabolic rate, because of which they burn more calories than they eat. Now, even if they are doing certain kind of activities, it might be that they are involved into a lot of cardiovascular activities. It can be like walking, running, cycling, swimming, even playing a sport. So they might be involved in such activities which is more of the cardio version of the workout, because of which also it will be difficult to really put on weight easily for them, as they already have a high metabolism. So that can be one reason why for them it is difficult to put on weight. And if they are really looking forward to gain weight, it is very important for them to pack on healthy weight in the form of muscle mass. For that, they actually need to go for more of strength workouts. They really need to add on more of calorie and nutrient dense foods to really pack on the healthy weight, so they can have more of good carbs, good proteins, healthy fats and all. And the second point is basically, and which is a very important point I would like to mention, they might be having a weak digestive system or a poor gut health. You know, like even if you eat a lot, maybe you're not moving, or maybe you're not that active enough, but still you're not putting on weight. It can be that you're eating a lot but your body is not being able to digest that food properly. So if your body is unable to break it down, if your body is unable to digest, it will lead to malabsorption of nutrients and malnourishment. So if you're having poor gut health, then definitely you're going to face issues with your weight, and you will also have a lower immunity as well. So you'll be more prone to cold, cough, allergies and all. So you can have some food allergies, intolerance, which you might develop it later as well. You can have acne problem, hair fall problem. So you see, if your gut health is affected, your digestion is affected, there will be malnourishment, there will be malabsorption of nutrients. So you can understand that even if you're taking in proteins in your body, and if your body is unable to break it down and utilize it, the protein is really getting wasted, right? So you might not put on weight. Usually your gut health is affected by eating a lot of refined carbs, sugar, more of caffeine, junk food, processed foods, packaged foods, right? So like it might be that some people, what happens that when they are very thin, so they think that either like if they don't really put on weight, so they constantly eat all of these junk food or processed foods or sugar and all, thinking that they are not really putting on weight. Or maybe if they're looking forward to really gain weight, then also they try to eat a lot of these foods because for a shortcut to really gain weight. In either of these cases, maybe that you are gaining weight or not, even if you are gaining weight, you are going to gain fat. That will be an unhealthy weight, and obviously I will not recommend it. But if even if you're not gaining in weight, don't think that if you're not gaining weight, then it's not affecting you. It is affecting your health no matter what. So your idea should be to basically fix your gut health in this case. So that's the first and primary thing that you need to focus on to really gain weight the healthy way. Okay, and of course the simplest way is to avoid all these sugar, junk food, excess caffeine, your refined carbs, sugar, sweets and all, and eat healthy. Okay, whatever you're eating, it should be a healthy balanced meals, so you can have more of your complex carbs, proteins, good fats, healthy fats. Then you have fiber, probiotics and all, so you can get that in all the whole grains, your oats, quinoa. You have fruits, your vegetables, your grains, your pulses, your legumes, your nuts, your seeds. That's it from my side. So if you really like this video, then please like, share and comment and let me know the same, and also subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you do not miss on any of my future videos. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, stay nourished and always keep it simple, smart and effective.